Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni peit but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kilikilom ki khubor bamta kasni. Myntri khynnah jengka sarkar pneng merikmi ekatunat ka kot kya ka Dr. Bharati Pravin Pawar min ka arfriutrik unailar kalalit jingo eka district East Giant Hills Krevian Meghalaya ban peit benya eka jinya chaprang ka jimptrei kam ika scheme bapher jengka sarkar pneng lingba ka review meeting ya kabala khon ya baro ekatunat traikam sarkar jengka te eka district. Na kaliang katay ka myntri khynnah habayo banya crunch kila pathai ko bor kiya thu ka jinglong jingman jig scheme sarkar India balamang ya sarkar Meghalaya ban pinpoi shiki district kum ka PM Awas Yojana ban pinbiang yingsa ya kibriu baduk basuk la sanction ya kamang tingka ka bakenthum praspa prapu ardli ki longying. Kalakran Shapanga National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM kaba Aijing Kershan ya kibriu ling baki self-help group SHG da kababan baki SHG kilong kasenjang babiang jang ka sarkar. Ka Dr. Pawar ko laong bala ithu igi khynnah ki baduna ka bam ka batay lingba ki SHG na kabenta ka jing examen ni ka kot ka kya da katunat ka kot ka kya ha ki jaka nong kendang.
Today I visit East Hills district and our aim is to take the review of what the central government is implementing to the different part of the country. And today the review shows that many of our schemes are doing so good here, implementing so good. Some schemes are doing more than 99% they are implementing. Like Manrega, last year we got the budget around 33 crores for that Manrega schemes, and through that we are covering near about more than 25,000 households. And this year also we are providing the budget because the demand is more, and as per the demand the central government is providing. As our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji envisioned that everyone should get the work at the grassroots also, at the villages also. So Manrega is one of the best scheme, and with the convergence of other schemes, Manrega is also doing good in this, especially this district, and must appreciate the work. Like in agriculture sector and making some projects, including the retaining walls, whatever their demand, department is asking for the central government, and central is providing the budget through that. Come to the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, the aim is to provide the houses for the needy, and near about 882 households are sanctioned. So the budget, year by year, the budget is providing, the central government is providing the budget, but still our demand is more. So we are trying to provide the more budget and more house pakka, for the pakka house we are providing. Other assistance schemes, various schemes are ongoing that department is also implementing. Those national social assistance program through PWD department. Last year we sanctioned one major road, 39 kilometers length. For that central government has released 126 crores for that road, which is connecting nearly 8 villages. So 8 villages will get the benefit for that road, and that which road I think?
This is Bolghat Sonapur road, and
Bolghat Sonapur.
And it is India-Bangladesh border road.
It is connecting the border also, India and Bangladesh. So this is one of the major road to provide. It will help the people of our district and our state. So it will take near about next 1.5 years to complete, because it is some areas are very hilly areas.
Landslides.
Yeah, so because of the landslides and the monsoon considering, it will take some time, maybe delay, but our aim is to try within time. Regarding other schemes like NRML, so livelihood, so to support the people for the livelihood, through the livelihood missions, different type of SHG group we are providing the budget. So more than 3 crore budget we have already provided for the SHG group also. SHG is one of the good initiative taken by our central government to strengthen the women self-help group. So this is also very good program is going on here. And another step is that our this district commissioner is with me, Shri Abhilashji. So they are connecting this SHG group to find out some malnutrition cases, to track the high-risk mother, to provide the NC checkup. So this SHG group is also helping for the health department also in very interior area, in hilly areas. Next to the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, this is the largest insurance scheme which will provide up to 5 lakhs budget for the family for the tertiary care, like for any operation. So in our district the beneficiaries are near about 1,08,000, and till date the 17,000 patient got the benefit through this scheme, like for any emergency, any operations, and near about the claims has been settled till date is more than 10 crores. So this is one of the good scheme reaching in Meghalaya also.